Hi, I'm Helen Reavey, founder of Act+Acre. The first ever dry shampoo. No, it's not the first ever dry shampoo. Okay. While promoting our plant-based dry shampoo is my secret weapon to getting an extra day out of your cleanse. You want to add it in about 2 to 3 inches away from the roots and directly to the areas that you need more help, which are oily or maybe a little bit of sweat. It is a white powder that turns translucent on any hair color. I love this to add a little bit of volume and just take out that little bit of oil. Give me an extra day. Leave it in for 5 minutes, come back, and I'm going to show you how to finish it off. So now 5 minutes are up. I've let it soak into the scalp and hair. And what you're going to do now is massage lightly throughout the whole head. And what this does is it helps the powder really become translucent. Now you'll find that it's not sticky, it's not tacky, it just absorbs beautifully into the scalp. It feels clean and fresh. It doesn't feel like you need to wash your hair. And I just look like I walked out of a salon.